Have you ever wondered how the last civilization in the universe is gonna be? I imagine you never thought about that. The idea that the universe will end, it's definitely something that we avoid thinking about. But sometimes I wonder, so I decided to make this video. First, we need to understand the size of the universe. We live in the Milky Way. This yellow circle represents all the stars we can see at night. Now imagine that this galaxy is the size of a grain of sand. There are more galaxies in the universe than there are grains of sand on Earth. That means if you throw sand on the palm of your hand, each grain of sand, it's a galaxy. Try to absorb this information just for a second. And in each galaxy, the small yellow circle represent all the stars we're able to see at night. That is the observable universe, which is everything we're able to see. Now let's go back to the galaxy. If we go up a little bit, we'll get to the local group, a collection of 52 galaxies, which is 10 million light years across, which means it takes 10 million years for the lights to go around. Here's where the story of the last civilization begins. Around the local group, there's something called dark energy. This dark energy makes all the groups from the galaxy float away from each other in a speed that increases by the second. Before the universe ends, it will become faster than light speed, which means that future civilization will think that the whole universe is only the local group. 52 galaxies, 52 grains of sand. And as time goes on, all the galaxies on the local group will come closer and closer together, eventually forming just one big galaxy called Milkdromeda. We'll float on nothing but emptiness. And as time goes by, the whole galaxy will fade to darkness. Isn't life just fun? But before the universe ends, there's always a little hope. If somewhere in the vast emptiness of space, there's a super advanced civilization fading away on their big galaxy, they can still survive. Because when the star dies, it becomes a black hole. And if it's a spinning black hole, this civilization can cover it with mirrors. Sounds weird, but it's true. And then open a window in that sphere and throw electromagnetic energy in it. These electromagnetic waves will bounce around inside the black hole, creating exponential energy. Then just open a little bit and the civilization will have unlimited energy for the next trillion years. I wonder how this civilization would look like, living in an empty universe where there's no stars, only electricity. Doesn't really matter the time, it's always night. A civilization that has printed on their cosmic dust the history of a whole universe with billions of other civilizations. How would it feel to be on the edge of the end of everything? How they would never know how mysterious and vast was this universe. How they will never see the light of day.